Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add TikTok logo at the end of a video. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding TikTok logo at the end of a video can help you reinforce your presence on the platform and remind viewers where they can find more of your content. It enhances brand recognition and association because the TikTok logo acts as a call to action, prompting viewers to engage further by visiting your TikTok profile, liking your video, or following your account. Now, if you're active on multiple social media platforms, displaying the TikTok logo can encourage viewers to explore your content on TikTok, leading to increased visibility and engagement across different channels. Now, the first thing you need to do, even if you're using your mobile device, is click on the upload option because we need to make sure that the logo will be added to our videos. Click on it. And from here, all we have to do is select the file that we wanted to add logo to, all right? Now, from here, all we have to do is click on post, all right? And there you have it. Just wait for it to upload. All right, so there, and then we'll see if the logo has been added. All right, now here's the video that I created, and click on save option, and we would need to locate the directory where the video has been saved to check if the TikTok logo has been added to the video that we have downloaded. All right, now as you can see that the video has already have the TikTok logo, right? Now, in the event that you can't find the TikTok logo at the end of your video, you might want to go here at the TikTok support center, and if you get a hold of the support agent, tell them you are having problems adding your TikTok logo at the end of the video. All right. Now, remember, when adding the TikTok logo, consider its placement and design within your video to ensure it complements your content and doesn't distract from your message. Particularly for viewers who are familiar with TikTok might not be following you yet, seeing the logo can prompt them to explore your profile and content on the platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.